Hey guys, this is Seth with SEEK1st. We're out here at our usual perch fishing spot. I'm here with Eric, but he's already up getting a spot set up for us. I'm on my way over there right now. We're gonna bring you guys along with us for the first fishing trip, well, the first recorded fishing trip of the year. Fishing has been a little slow leading up to this. It's been just a little colder. Fish really aren't moving up too much right now, but we're gonna see what happens today. We're gonna bring you guys along with us. Nice we have it all to ourselves this morning, though. Yeah. Be nice, Cobra chickens. These seem to be just going away anyway, so. They shouldn't be nesting yet, I don't think. Close to it. I think it's up maybe like a quarter inch from last time. Yeah, it's not really up much. It'd be good if we get like a solid rain that comes through and raise it up. Yeah. Don't muddy it up. Raise it up. You went through. No, I'm gonna sit up here too. Just so you guys know, this video is brought to you by Eric. It's Eric and Ethan's birthday today, so what Eric wanted to do for his birthday. Go fishing. Hopefully catch fish. We'll see. Either way, this video's gonna go up. We've been out fishing 2 or 3 other times. Haven't caught much, but hadn't brought the camera. Figured today I'd bring the camera out. I'll go over here on this side of the tree. Last time I was getting some bites, just letting it drift down here. And then I'm trying to swim towards a log down there. I don't want to deal with that right now. What was that? That was weird. I don't know if you guys saw that or not. My bobber just went, slowly went, it went down, stopped, pick up, and there's nothing there. No minnow, nothing. I'm guessing a little crappie. That's usually what they do in this spot. That's what I'm looking for. First fish in the bucket. If we can make that happen again. You got the spot over there, man. Little dude. Not crazy deep. I'm like maybe, like 8 inches or so? No, I'm like 13, 14 inches maybe. Actually, probably closer, like maybe a foot. Yeah. Well, so is he. Well, that's not him. We'll leave him. He's a very pale perch right there. He's with almost no bars on him. Very, very pale. I think after this minute, I might be done putting my hand in there for a little bit. Yeah, let my hand warm up. Sometimes jigs are really good. I can never seem to get them to work though. I don't know why. Man, felt the weight on him. That'd have been nice. Try a little deeper, I guess.
They're having fun.
Mm-hmm. How? I felt that fish there. I think it's more chainsaw.
That makes more sense.
I don't know if... I guess there's a couple farms kind of close, but not that close. Yep. It does out here. It goes good for a little while, but then it just kind of slows down, then comes to a complete stop.
Morning seems to be the best time.
Yep. Huh.
Bite?
I did, finally. But the camera's pretty much dead, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that little birthday fishing trip for Eric. Be sure in the comments to leave a happy birthday, Eric and Ethan. It's his birthday today.
My birthday.
And his twin brother Ethan, who is our drummer. They're both, what, 31?
Yep, 31 now.
And that's a good thing to end it on.
Last minute fish.
Look, thanks guys for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe if you want to see more.
Yeah, subscribe. Subscribe to SEEK1st. You won't regret it.
And leave a comment and tell Eric and Ethan happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Eric. He said that on me. Don't worry.
All right. We will see you guys in the next one.
Bye.